Carlotta here, and I am here doing a quick little video for you today. I don't know what happened this week, but I didn't know what the days of the week were all of a sudden because a whole bunch of meetings were canceled for me this week. So I didn't have my normal routine meetings, and it just messed with my mind. So I'm so sorry that this is being posted on Saturday instead of Friday. I don't know what happened. But anyways, here is a little video for you today. I could not for the life of me figure out what to do, and I didn't have any videos queued up. I'm filming a ton this weekend, so I just didn't have any ready to go. So I just had to think of something that is going on that I wanted to do a video about. And it took the entire day Friday to try to figure that out, but eventually I did. So today I am filming my dream garden spread. So I decided to do this because as we are quarantined, I figured that one of the things that might be nice is to start prepping for doing a lot of gardening. I have done quite a bit while I was home with my knee surgery. I wasn't able to do that much, obviously, because of my knee, so I really want to go ahead and take this time to kind of expand what I'm able to do. So some of the stuff I won't be able to do, plants and things like that. For example, it's gonna take until whenever things start to get better here in the world and more businesses and things like that are able to open up. But I figured I can do a lot of prep work because a lot of these areas need to be cleared and things like that before I go ahead and go in. I also had snow still last week, so the ground is still pretty hard for me to do a lot of this. So I really wanted to take the time to do more of the prep action before I go ahead and go in and work on this garden. So basically what I'm doing is I'm creating an outline of my house. I also have a progress bar that I split into 25% sections. No, 20% sections? Yeah, 20% sections. I don't know why 20%. I think just because I didn't want it to go all the way up, and I decided 25 was a good number and I could split that into 5, so that was totally fine. So anyways, I'm doing the outline of my house just so I can kind of map out where I want things to go as I decide what my plants are going to be and things like that. So you can see the general layout on my house. It is not exact. It is not to scale. It is not very well done, but that's the general layout of my house. It is 3 stories. It has a basement, a downstairs, and then a upstairs. So 3 stories in all. My husband also built the deck on the backyard, so I needed to plan for that because some plants are probably going to go in right around it. I haven't really decided what I want to do. But the green outlines are where my main garden area is going to be. In that X is a stump that we need to take out. I don't know how that's going to happen, but eventually we would like to take out that stump. But that's more of a costly project, so that might stay there for a little while. So what I'm drawing now is the things that I've already put in. I think those bushes will probably come back. There are some plants that I still need to see if they're going to come back. I mean, they were fall plants, so I'm not really particular if they do or not right now, but I figured I might as well put in what I know is already there and is already completed. Really, we'll just need to redo the mulching a little bit on that. So one of the weird things that happened, there was this giant stump with all of these plants, and then in this situation, I think it was at some point it must have been a nice island little feature, but at some point there were just bajillions of rocks, and I use that as a very technical term because there are so many rocks. We have them all stacked in our backyard and it looks like a grave site right now. So I don't know, we need to address that. But the good thing about that is we do have rocks, and so that helps with our budget a lot because rocks can be really, really expensive to put around your gardens. So I'm really glad that we're saving a lot of money there. But yeah, we decided to put in a budget for the dream garden, just because, you know, it's a costly project. So hopefully we'll be able to save money here and there, and we'll probably have to do it piecemeal. Like, I'll probably do all the garden around the front and the side of the house first. And then the garden that's on the back end of the house next to the deck, I want to be more of a fruit and vegetable type garden. So those might get a little bit more costly. I'm not sure. And then in the back, that is going to be a later on project, and on the side of the house as well. On the other side of the house, that's going to be a project as well. But yeah, I added the budget section and then native plants so that I can just address everything that's going on with the garden in this one section, because I do want to plant native to my area. So I have information for that as well. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you like this quick little setup video. I didn't have anything else planned, so this is what had to happen. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos. And join my Patreon, because that's fun. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.